Yes, it's not a workout video. So today I'm planning to prepare a nice, cheesy, crispy tortilla. So today we'll make a nice little snack which I usually add in my diet. So this helps me get that protein which I want, less carbs, some amount of fat. But yes, at a healthy level, it's very good to add in your diet.
First thing we would need is a tortilla wrap, some chicken, some spinach and cheese to add. Usually I grind my chicken so that it can cook faster and it doesn't take much time. So chop your chicken nicely so that it can cook quick and easy. So your basic ingredients are ready and you are good to go. Once your wrap is ready, set your air fryer to 150 degrees and set it for approximately 5 to 6 minutes. So this is how I cook my tasty healthy snack.